Here's the Lake Country and Kelowna real estate market update for November of 2022. Now make sure you watch through to the end of this video because we're going to give you some tips on what's coming up in 2023. The entire 2023 forecast should be coming out in about another week, so watch for that. I'm Marc Perras with the Selling Okanagan Real Estate Group here at RE/MAX Kelowna. And if you think this kind of market knowledge can help you in your pursuit of buying or selling, please reach out to us. Our email addresses are right here. Now let's look back at 2022, and it was a wild ride. We started the year with low inventories and high sales volumes. Prices had already been trending up, and this escalated the bidding, pushing prices to a frenzy once it got to the February-March period. However, some changes were coming. We saw in March that the new listings started to drive up, and that trend would continue for months to come. Now that parabolic rise that we saw in prices started to turn around in a hurry. We also saw interest rate hikes come in from our central banks, and that pushed the cost of borrowing up for buyers. And the parabolic rise up that we saw in prices very quickly turned into a correction. Now here we sit in November, and the prices seem to have flattened out a little bit. They don't seem to be falling as steeply or as quickly as they were in months previous. Additionally, the new listings coming on the market have actually decreased. So what does that mean? Well, we start to see this price leveling out. You're looking right now at the home pricing index. This peaked at 350 and we sit at about 303 today. That marks a decrease in the average selling price of about 12 or 13%. Now, does that mean it's all over? It's all behind us? Is there still some decreases to come? We still see weak demand. A typical October would be anywhere from 850 to over 1,000 properties sold. And this past October, that was just about 700 properties. So our sales volumes are still substantially lower than they would normally be. And although new listings seem to be coming down, the listing volume still is quite high for this time of year. As a result, we see further downward pressure on prices. That trend is in place and it's not going to change right away. So this creates a tremendous opportunity for people that can qualify and are choosing to purchase. There are some great deals in the marketplace. So this wraps up the Kelowna and Lake Country real estate market update for November of 2022. Stay tuned next week when we bring out our 2023 forecast, because there's going to be some great stuff in there. And if you think that this sort of market knowledge can help you in your situation as a buyer or a seller, please reach out to us. Here's our email addresses, and our website is contained down below. Thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.